other than Vivek Yadav. He was a student of Online 13 just a little time back, maybe 1 month, 1.5 month back. I think first week of November or sorry, December, I think. Yeah, so he was there like you, learning on the online platform, and I have yet to meet him. I'm sure he will, before joining the academy, he will spare some time and come and at least collect his tie and also give us opportunity to see him in person, right? So Vivek Yadav, I think is a military
Good
school.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, military school student, military school
Yes,
product.
the
Yeah,
Rashtriya
and
Military School Chel.
Rashtra Military School Chahal, and a very intelligent boy. He learned like you in the online course, and now I'm going to talk to him to share his experience on two aspects. Firstly, how did he prepare? Like, we think we are teaching you everything. Firstly, does it, is it enough for you to take off and prepare? That is one. How did you prepare, Vivek? Because after you finish our training, you had about, I think, 15-20 days with you only to, go for the SSB. And on 15 December, you cracked this SSB, your SSB for NDA 145.
Yes.
Right. So let's go over to you and understand how did you uh, kind of prepare? What was the method you adopted? And at the end of it, when you went to SSB, what was the main aspects on which you focused while you are at SSB? So today, gentlemen, we are now inviting Vivek Yadav, a student of our online 13 batch, who did our training in the month of November, and he went to SSB on 10th December, and on 15th December he was successful for NDA 145. After that, he has also cleared his medical and now waiting for the merit list to join the very famous National Defense Academy. Over to Vivek now. First, take us about your method of preparation and then take us to the SSB.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, friends. As per this program, firstly, when somebody suggested me about this online training program, I thought that it would be like I will be joining and it will be just like time pass. But when at the very first day, instruction day before the main classes, the way he talked, it really impressed me. He was so strict that I thought that I need to buy the sheets, the 50 sheets, and I need to line up everything. I did the same, and I joined the classes regularly. And in between, the method, the techniques which sir has provided and the faculty has provided to us was everything was valuable to me, and it was really valuable. Just starting from the diary which the sir told us to maintain. It was one of the most valuable things to me. Uh, just like that, from that, the everything, starting from sir SB sir's interview, mock interview, it really benefited me. The questions were exactly the same. The way he asked, everything was just the same. So I didn't feel new out there, that someone is asking something new. It was just all the same which I have prepared in this academy. So it was nothing new to me. And the GTO part, I haven't been on ground anywhere, not to any other academy or something like this. But I only have been here only for online GTO course, and it was really easy for me to push myself. The obstacle was very easy. It was just the MP search logic which helped me to crack the PGT. And just to tell you, we did all the four PGTs before all the other groups, and it was me who was leading the group, and we did it before the time, before the mentioned time. And it was means it was really good. And my group mates, they were impressed by me, because I was also a fresher. I had given written four times, but this was my fourth time. But I couldn't clear the previous written attempts, and this was my first time I had cleared my written, and I made it to SSB also, uh, just because of this academy. This is what I think. And so,
Yeah. So what did you, after you finished this course? What was your daily routine? How much did you put in? What effort did you put in? What are aspects did you practice right? Related to your psych test or your lecture practices or your GK notes. So how was that? So why I'm asking you, because these boys are about to finish. So what should they do from the last day at AMAS to the first day of SSB? What should be their routine after they finish this online course and before they reach? So what was your routine? So that is what I'd like to know.
Yes, sir. Sir, after this, I would like to advise my friends that they should continue this streak. Just like we see that we are busy from right from the morning to the evening. So I would like them to continue the same and practice the words which are given by the institute, and also from the online from the YouTube also they can practice. I also did from the YouTube the A4 SOP. I downloaded it, the words from there, and I also practiced the same. And for lecturate, I recorded my videos, and after that, I played it again and again, and I found out my fault. And wherever I was lacking, I was stopping in between and doing so that really helped me, and I tried to correct it. And in lecturate, I got the topic of China-Pakistan economic corridor, and that was the topic that DRS sir he covered it so good that every point was in my mind, right from the Kashgad, the place, to every minute detail. So it was just a piece of cake for me in the lecturate. I covered that in 3 minutes, and every detail the sir has provided me, it was all just the same. So it was really benefiting from me. And
Vivek, did you get the booklet and the worksheet which we had sent? Did you receive that?
no, sir, I was there in the assembly for the SSC
SSB.
before
Okay.
it reached to me.
Before when it reached you. Okay. Right. So, and you had, what about your CIQ practices you did at home
Yes, sir.
after you finished
Uh,
the course here?
Yes, sir. I practice it. I write it again and again. After writing it, I left it for some time. Just like in the morning, I wrote down, and in the evening, I used to study it. And I find out that it needs to be improved, a bit improved. So I improved that thing, and in the next morning, I write it again, whole from the starting. And in the evening, I see that some minute differences are to be made. So I made them in the evening, and in that way, it was just regular that I was learning it. And in the CIQ, so the interviewer asked me only one CIQ, the first one, and mostly he was revolving around the parents. Parents. He was throwing questions of current affairs, and in between he asked me, Vivek, tell me what one quality of your father you would like to drop. And then I start telling him, and then he again jumped to some current affairs questions. He just tried to put me down. Where can I get down? But I was so calm and cool, just as directed by director sir. I was very calm, and I didn't feel the fear, and I replied it so calmly that he again changed the question in between only. He was satisfied by that. I can't be means manipulated, or something can be done with me. I was very calm. So that was really
Very
helpful to
nice,
me.
very nice, very nice. So, how did you, when you already explained to us that you did the interview? How was your psych test in SSB? And sorry, before the psych test, let me come to a stage one.
Yes,
How
sir.
was the stage one PPTT? How was the discussion? Because a lot of them are scared of what will be the stage one this thing. So, what was your experience?
In the stage one examination, I found out that the questions of OIR, that was very easy as compared to what we did here, and it was really nice that after doing this level of questions, it was easy for me, and I completed it before time. The whole two set of questions, I got 50 questions in first set and 40 questions in second set. It was OIR one, sorry, OMR ones. So I filled it out, and I did it before the time, and it was very easy, just at the same as, and particularly a bit lower level than what Afsana ma'am taught us. So it was very easy. And after that, the PBDT one, I got a picture of a boy and a girl, and they are means the picture was from backside, and it was a very blurry one, and they are sitting on some hilly terrain. So I made a picture of I made the story of trekking, a school captain. as followed by the sir's advice, as he has told me that you have to get the background of first the character. So I got the background. He's a school captain and purely athletic and that kind. And he was also from NCC, so he got a chance to go on a trek. So he did the everything, and after that it happened. And at the end, I realized that my story was only which came up with the group story, and some other people were also making stories of just like they are going on a picnic and playing some guitar. So I also tried to mix it up with my story. I told them ki, we are on a trekking and we can someone can also be playing guitar on the trekking, so it could also be included. And some other guy also mentioned about this cleaning, Mahatma Gandhi and all that Safai Yojana and all that thing. So I tried to capture that also. I said that in trekking only they found some waste out there. So they were energetic students from the school, so they also picked up the wrappers and all what, and they also made aware the local public or local tourists, which the people who are coming there. So that was also, so they all
You
agreed
must have
on.
been in a fresher group, so there was no fish market. Everybody got a chance to speak.
Yeah, everybody got a chance to speak, but
That's very
some people were who were really coached. They were putting up their best. So
nice.
it was
How
a
many
big
got recommended from your group? Do you remember?
sir.
The stage one?
Stage one, sir. Sir, seven, sir, seven
Seven out
out
of
of
about
15.
15. That's a good number. And finally, how many got recommended from the whole batch?
Whole batch, sir, 62 has reported, 30
Hmm.
screened in, and after that, six got recommended.
Six got recommended. So
Uh,
basically, 62 versus six. So it was a kind of
10 to 6.
NDA has a good percentage of
Yes,
passing
sir.
marks, right?
Out of
So
them, sir, one was previously recommended.
one was previously recommended also. Okay, right. So any message you would like to give them to the other students who are preparing? What should they
Uh,
focus on? What should they do?
yes, I would like to tell them that you focus on your psychology more. Just like we see that we see the other people's GTO, just like we are with them in the group. But as per everybody tells about their interview also, but nobody can guess any other one the psychology. So basically, you have to work on that. Because you would listen about GTO from everyone, you would listen about interview from everyone, but you can't judge anyone's psychology, because it will be fitting on someone else one, but not on you. What he is writing, the same candidate there are two candidates and both write the same things in psychology test, but one got recommended and one is left out. So it is your psychology, so try to focus on what is yours and put the best out of it. Just like in my case, in what your teachers thinks about you. See, I got less percentage in 12th class 12. I can't write that I was very good. My teachers think that I was blah 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 and good. So but later, after reading 2 3 times, I got that I should be writing what I'm best at. I referred there that my teachers think that I'm very good at organizing things, just like I organize sports events and CCI events. And at the end, I mentioned very shortly that they also advise me to maintain balance between my studies and games. So that was also a thing, and that's all.
That's good. Good. So that's what. There's not anyone wants to ask any question to Vivek. He's with us for a short while, especially the NDA boys, and otherwise also if you want anyone to ask anything, you can keep your audio on, keep your audio and video on, and ask.
This is just number 10. How did you go about practicing WATs after the Amas Institute coaching ended? Like on your own, how did you practice the WATs?
See, after seeing the WAT, at first you need to think about it. Just don't write. You at first you think about it, and then after means thinking about it, you just just you think the word. You will get in what context you have to write about it, and then frame the sentence. Take your time. At first, take your time, and after about 10 days, you need to speed up. Then you need to focus on how can you increase your productivity, just like in 15 seconds. So try to focus to write in 12 seconds. That would be best. I did the same.
Yeah, short sentence practice, writing 4 or 5 words, not very long narration is the best way to do it. You see, you will get so much practice here now. 3 4 times VAT hota rahega, and then we have uploaded full 3 VAT sessions on YouTube, right? 180 words are uploaded there, and then if some of you already received the practice worksheet, 120 words you are going to get there. So with so many VAT worksheets for practices, I think should be suffice. In fact, most of the students are telling कि sir, most of the words उसी में से आए हैं जो
एंड
हमने
सिस्टम में
practice
10,
की।
वहां पे कुछ याद नहीं आता, इट वुड बी मेसी। वहां पे इतना प्रेशर होता है कि 15 सेकंड्स ऐसे निकल जाते हैं, कुछ याद नहीं आता। तो बस उसका थीम फोकस करके रखना कि अगर कोई वर्ड आता है तो उसका थीम तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या था, यू विल राइट द सेंटेंस।
Yeah, very
Thank
nice.
you.
Yeah, anybody else, anything want to ask? Yeah. So if there are no questions, in the end, I would like to thank Vivek for joining us today, sharing his actual experience. So recently he has been to SSB, right? See, when I describe my SSB experience, probably you think, sir, तो 40 years पहले गए थे, ये क्या था, अभी कितना कुछ change हो गया. आपके सामने है 19 SSB, where I was GTO from 2002 to 2006, right? I still remember everything, every structure, and even if he tells me which command task did he go to, I'll probably recognize that one also, right? If by the number, which number. But nonetheless, he has done his best and he has made us proud. He has made AMAS proud. And we wish him all the best and we wish him a very good merit position that we feel more proud about Vivek, right?
थैंक यू सर।
Any final message you want to give to your classmates who are going to be in SSB very shortly?
यस सर, मैं बोलूंगा कि जो साथ वाले ग्रुप वाले होते हैं उनके साथ अच्छे से बना के रखना, बिकॉज अगर तुम बना के रखोगे, पहले इम्पैक्ट बना दोगे, तुम अच्छे हो, तो तुम्हें ग्रुप डिस्कशन में कभी तुम्हें काटने की कोशिश ही नहीं करेंगे। यू विल बी ऑलवेज एट फर्स्ट, सो दे गिव मी प्रेफरेंस at first only. I made an impression that I am the best. As it is, I'm from literary school. The way I talked, it really impressed them, so that was easy for me.
Right.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you so much, Vivek. And I think your points, anything you want to, SB, you want to ask him anything from your
I
side?
just want to know from him if how we can help them train better for the interview, because whatever we have trained them, I'm sure that they have benefited from that. But I like the method that he was practicing his CAQ every day. He was
Yeah,
writing it
he's
down.
writing down. See, that's what, as we have been telling everyone, that please write down, then you will not waver there.
Yeah.
If you just think I'll speak off the cuff, then sometimes you will say something, sometimes you will say something. I use a little bit interview pressure, you will forget half the things.
I remember having interviewed Vivek. Now I can recollect him. First day he
Okay.
was traveling in a car, and the second day we interviewed him. And I've given him some interview points. I'm happy he's worked on it. And you have to work. That is a very important thing. It's not that you can just think and get away. You have to work. And working means writing, working means speaking, working means reading. And doing exactly a focused thing, what is required to be done. Okay, if you do that, definitely you will improve. You
As
do
we
well.
like, we tell also that suppose you've written I play football, then know everything about football.
Yeah, very true.
If you've written a hobby, a particular hobby as a photography, then know everything about photography.
As much as you can. Yeah,
As
everything.
much as you can. As much as you can. Yeah, that's the right word. Not everything. As much as you can.
As much as you can.
At least IO should know, he's not bluffing. He's actually doing something.
You should
Right.
check his depth.
And that is, I think, the bottom line of SSB, to check your preparation,
Depth
to
of
check your
preparation.
thoroughness, your interest, how much keenness you are. Right.
But I'm
So-
really happy, Vivek, that you're done. In fact, here's an example of a candidate who had not cleared his written exam, and that will lead to loss of confidence. But despite that, he has been so confident in this. He's been calm, and I'm sure the 1 hour session he's had with me. I think I only interviewed him. 1 hour session he's had with me. Of course, he gained with that, and you took some debriefing points also I had given in the end. So I hope you worked on those.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So, thank you so much, Vivek, for joining us, and wish
Thank
you
you,
all
sir.
the best. Stay in touch, right?
Yes.
Okay, SB, we'll end the session here. Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much, Vivek. If you want, you can leave also. Jai Hind.
Yes. Jai Hind, sir.
Okay, rest of you, keep your videos on now. Yeah. So there is some little time.